Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to import a FieldGenius raw file directly into MSCAD. This is particularly useful if you want to retain all of that information, if you want to get some traverse reports, if you want to reprocess some data, or just have it exactly as it was in your FieldGenius project. So what I'm going to do here is I've got MSCAD open and I'm going to head to my MS Traverse window here. Now, I have this handy tool that says FieldGenius Import, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select that and then the FieldGenius raw file option. It's going to ask me, do I want to import a FieldGenius raw file? I'm going to click on yes here and then locate where my file is saved in my file explorer. Once I have that spotted here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the file and select open. Now it's going to ask me, do I want to use a new file? Do I want to append to an existing? What do I want to do here? In my case, I'm going to create a new file here. So I'm going to click on new file and OK. You're going to see it's going to run all this information through my command line at the bottom, load it up, and then it's going to ask me, do I want to edit the existing information? And you can see here, I now have a report with all of the information in my raw file from my GNSS raw data logging, if I have any traverse data, any of that kind of information. It's all going to be here. I can edit anything that I would need to. However, once I've imported all this data, I still have an extra step to actually bring it into my project because I need to confirm my edits. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly hop over to a different tab to show you what I mean here. So if I head into my MS points and look at my active coordinate editor, you can see it's currently blank and that I don't have any of the points for my project. And that's because what I need to do is if I head back into my MS Traverse and go to my active Traverse editor and look at all my data here, what I need to do is I need to select edit and then go to the re-coordinate traverse option. I can also hit Control R if I don't want to have to click on it here. It's going to ask me for some information on what I want to do. Do I need to change anything? Do I have any extra tolerances? Now I have a GNSS solution, so I can kind of do a bit of hand waving here and click on OK, where my file points are now going to be loaded. So now what I can do is if I head over to that MS Points tab and to the active coordinate editor, you can see I now have a list of all of the points I shot with their descriptions and all of that fun jazz. And I'm ready to begin working on my project in MSCAD. But for now, that is everything in today's video. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or maybe you just want to talk to one of us here at Benchmark, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below because it really does help us out. Thank you.